Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is a string constant pool in Java. So in Java, string is the most important topic. There is a number of concepts related to string, but string pooling concept is one of them. So the string pooling concept in Java is a bit tricky. In this session, we are going to discuss the string pool or string internal concept. So first, what is string pool? So string pool is a nothing but storage area in the heap where string literal store. So it is also known as string internal pool or string constant pool. So it is just like concept object allocation. By default, it is a empty privately maintained by the Java string class. So where we create the string. In the the string object occupies some space in the heap memory. Creating a number of string increase the cost may increase the cost and memory to which may reduce to performance also. So the JVM performs some JVM performs some steps during the initialization of the string literal that increase the performance and decrease the memory loads. So to decrease the number of the string object, create the the string class keeps the pool of the string. So where so when we create the string literal, uh, the JVM first check that literal in the string pool. So if the literal is already present in the pool, it return as reference to the pooled instance. So if the literal not present in the pool, a new string object take place in the string pool. So creating a string in a Java. So there are two types of creating string. So first one is using string literal, and second one is using new keyword. So the first way in a Java, we used to Java string internal method. So the Java string internal method is puts the string in the string pool or refers to the another string object from a string pool having the same value, and it return a string from the pool. It If the string pool already contains in the string equal to the string object, it is determined to the it is determined string by the using of a string dot equals object so method. Thank you so much.